Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with Mark Tutorial. Today, we are beginning with the new letter L, the basic words of which are presented henceforth. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Lamp, Deepak. I turned on the lamp to read. Love, Pyar. I love my family very much. Letter, Patra. I received a letter from my friend. Light, Prakash. The light is very bright in this room. Lake, Jheel. We went swimming in the lake yesterday. Lend, udhar dena. Can you lend me your book for a day? Listen, sunna. Please listen carefully to the instructions. Learn, sikhna. I am learning how to play the guitar. Laugh, hasna. She laughed loudly at the joke. Little, chota. I have a little dog at home. Large, bada. They live in a large house. Look, dekhna. Look at the beautiful painting. Lose, harna. I lost my keys yesterday. Last, akhiri. This is the last book in the series. Land, bhumi. They are buying land for their new house. Lunch, dopahar ka bhojan. I always have lunch at 1 p.m. Low, come, nicha. The chair is too low for me to sit comfortably. Later, baad mein. I will meet you later at the park. Lie, jhoot bolna. He lied about his age to get into the club. Lucky, bhagyashali. She was lucky to find a job so quickly. Loud, jor se. The music is too loud for me. Lively, jivant. The party was lively and everyone was dancing. Long, lamba. This road is very long. Left, baya, chhod diya. Turn left at the next intersection. Lazy, alsi. He was too lazy to clean his room. Lift, uthana. Can you lift this box for me? Large, bada. They have a large garden behind their house. Leaf, patta. The leaves are falling from the tree in autumn. Lemon, nimbu. I like to add lemon to my tea. Letter, patra. I received a letter from my friend yesterday. Land, bhumi. The farmers work hard on the land. Line, rekha. There is a straight line on the paper. Latch, tale ka bolt. The latch on the door is broken. Loudly, jor se. She spoke loudly to be heard. Leak, reserve. There's a leak in the roof. Lick, chatna. The cat licked its paw. Link, curry. I shared the link to the article with my friends. Ladder, CD. I need a ladder to fix the roof. Level, star. The table is not level, so the glass keeps tipping over. Lawyer, vakil. The lawyer advised his client to remain silent. Load, bhar. He carried a heavy load of books. Lock, tala. Please lock the door when you leave. Lace, phita. She tied her shoes with the lace. Leap, kudna. The cat leaped over the wall effortlessly. Load, bhar. He was carrying a load of groceries. Laughing, hasna. She was laughing at the funny joke. Lucky, bhagyashali. She was lucky to find a job so quickly. Loft, atari. They converted the loft into a small studio. Lagoon, jail. Lagoon is calm and beautiful. And that's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.